The end of the year is a great opportunity to take stock of your overall financial situation, reflect on what's gone well for you this year, some of the things that could be improved upon, and what you need to do to put yourself in the best situation going into the new year. And here are 5 things that you can still get done before the end of the year. The first thing is to maximize your retirement account contributions to potentially increase your tax deductions. Review the contributions that you've already made to your IRA, 401k, and HSA, and how much more you can contribute to each account. Work with financial advisors like our team to come up with the most tax-efficient saving strategy for you. The second thing that you can do is review all of your subscription services and membership services. In today's day and age, we virtually have a subscription service for every aspect of our lives, from food delivery to online stylists, TV shows and movies. It can be really easy to lose track of everything that we have. So take an inventory, write down all of your subscription services, how much you spend on each per month or per year, and really ask yourself how frequently you use each in the last 3 months or in the last 6 months, and determine which ones are worth keeping and which ones should be canceled, and help you save some money that way. The third thing to do is review your financial documents with a financial advisor, including your investment accounts and any insurance policies. Review your beneficiaries on each account and policy, especially if you've gotten married or gone through a divorce. Take this time to look at your financial goals, set some for next year, and make sure that everything you're doing today is in line with those goals. The fourth thing to do is plan out next year's saving based on your goals. So write down all the financial goals that you'd like to accomplish next year and determine how much you need to save for each goal. For example, if you want to travel next summer, estimate how much that trip is going to cost you so you can determine how much to put away on a monthly basis for that goal. That way, when it comes time to pay for the trip, you already have money that was allocated for that trip specifically. You can open up another savings account based on your financial goals to easily track your progress. And the fifth thing that you can do is check your flexible spending account for any unused funds. These types of FSA accounts, which are used for healthcare expenses, are typically use it or lose it type of plans. So check with your HR department to see what some of the acceptable expenses are so you don't lose out on any unused funds. So those are 5 things that you can still get done before the end of the year. What are some of the things on your financial checklist that you'd like to get accomplished before the year is over? I would love to hear some of those. And if you have any questions on your personal financial situation, let's get connected so we can help you work towards financial success in the new year. You can send me a message or schedule a time to talk using the link below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.